So part of the reason I think I had some chip out on my pen blank was because my tools weren't sharp enough. And I was going to show you, this is how I sharpen them. This is an old bench grinder. It spins this way, so the switch is on the back side. These are just wheels of MDF, and this is just buffing compound. So I'll get fired up and show you what I do. And to test it, I normally will check it. If it bites the thumbnail, it's sharp, so it's not sharp yet. Gotta keep going. It's a little better. There, sticks in the fingernail. Should be sharp enough for resin now. I'm gonna finish sharpening the other two I was using. Okay. This one's nice and sharp too. You can feel it bite the fingernail. It's when you know they're sharp enough to work with, so.